What are examples of traditional marriage customs? Have you ever wondered how marriage customs differ around the world? These traditions reveal so much about human behavior and development across cultures. Let's take a closer look at some fascinating examples of traditional marriage customs. One common practice is arranged marriages. In many Asian, Middle Eastern, and African societies, families often select spouses for their children. This choice is based on social status, economic factors, and family alliances. The individuals involved may have little say in the decision, highlighting the importance of family and community over personal preference. Another interesting custom involves bridewealth and dowry. In certain cultures, marriage includes the transfer of wealth. Bridewealth is a payment made by the groom's family to the bride's family. This symbolizes compensation for the bride's labor and her role in her family. On the other hand, dowry is wealth given from the bride's family to the groom or the new household. These exchanges strengthen social ties and economic relationships. Polygamy is also a notable practice, which includes polygyny and polyandry. Polygyny, where one man has multiple wives, is common in many African and Middle Eastern societies. This practice often relates to social status and economic capacity. Polyandry, where one woman has multiple husbands, is rarer but can be found in some Himalayan and Tibetan communities. This arrangement often helps with land preservation and managing limited resources. In some cultures, marriage systems are matrilineal. For instance, the Iroquois and the Mosuo of China pass down inheritance through the female line. The Mosuo practice walking marriages, where men visit women at night but do not live with them or support their children. Instead, children are raised by the woman's extended family, challenging typical Western views on marriage. Levirate and sororate marriages are also significant. In levirate marriage, a widow marries her deceased husband's brother. Sororate marriage involves a widower marrying his deceased wife's sister. These customs help maintain alliances and social stability within communities. Ceremonial rituals and symbolic exchanges are central to marriage across cultures. These ceremonies mark the transition into new social roles. Common practices include exchanging vows, rings, and gifts, as well as performing dances and community feasts. For example, Western weddings often feature ring exchanges and vows, while some African cultures have elaborate rituals involving bridewealth payments. Divorce and marital fluidity can also vary widely. In some matrilineal societies, like the Iroquois, women have more autonomy in marriage and divorce. There is often less stigma attached to divorce in these communities. Men may live separately and have fewer responsibilities for children who belong to the mother's clan. From an anthropological standpoint, marriage customs are diverse and culturally specific. They reflected kinship systems, economic structures, gender roles, and social organization. These customs serve to regulate reproduction, inheritance, and social alliances, highlighting the broader cultural values about family and social order. Understanding these customs provides a glimpse into how societies organize relationships and responsibilities, emphasizing the role of marriage in human development across cultures.